Hello all my dear watercolor lovers. I hope your watercolor journey going great. You're learning and improving with this medium. And I really want to say thank you so much watching my videos, learning from them and sending your wonderful comment and suggestions, for my upcoming videos. So in this watercolor tutorial, I'm going to have this a mountain and the kind of landscape around. So I hope you'll have a very fantastic time to go through. And as I said, I will be starting with a sketch always. This is something you'll have to work on, sketching part. You'll have to give a lot of time and effort for doing that. And most of the time I've been asking this, especially all the beginners, to work on a sketch. So you do that lot of sketch that will really improve your watercolor learning. So here is your message for you. And so I just wanted to bring a very important news is that I have recently launched a new category tag in my Patreon page where you can access my very exclusive watercolor tutorials where you can learn from, you can explore, and there are a lot many other rewards are involved in those diets. So moreover, what is really interesting thing is that I will be creating a very interesting the watercolor tutorial with the proper introduction and all of that, and I'll be uploading those tutorial in my Patreon page. And if you become the part of my tire categories patrons, then you will have a chance to access all of that. So please visit my Patreon page and check all of those categories. I hope this will definitely help you to grow with a watercolor. So here I'm just doing the initial level of first wash of this painting. I'll just keep quiet and just leave you here and just see how the overall process goes from here. Right, so have a great time, and I will be coming with a new video very soon, and hoping that this video is going to help you. So enjoy this video and let me know if you have any question in the comment section. So I will definitely try to reply your comment. So have a really nice time.